Hello everybody. Today you're going to learn how to use the scheduled reports inside your SuiteCRM system. Okay, so let's go. You have seen the reports in your SuiteCRM and what you can do with it. If not, check out my videos on the reports. And sometimes it makes sense to have those reports sent via email. Maybe you've got like a team lead and this team lead wants to be informed maybe once a month of the ongoings of the last month performance or something similar. So in order to do this, you would use the scheduled reports. How do those work? Let's check that out. So here under the reports, jump over to the report module. Here we've got a couple of reports, predefined, not but just like build up randomly or test-wise. And then I just take any random report that we've got here. Here we've got sum per employee of the, I assume it was the opportunities. And we've got the data as well. And the data is basically that what we're interested in. So you can think about all sorts of different things, KPIs or performance-wise with opportunities that have been closed last month or in total revenue, invoices that have been paid or similar. And you can send this via email with the scheduled reports. In order to do this, I would either select or create one. Since there is none, I create one now. And I would simply name this sum per employee. And status, if you want to pause something for a little while, then you can just, without deleting it, set it to inactive. But let's keep it active for now. Automatically, the report has been used here, and I don't have to worry too much about it. And now what you have to configure is the schedule. How often do you want to receive this email? So monthly, weekly, daily. Maybe daily is a bit much, and you would rather want to have it maybe as a monthly report. Then it makes sense. When the first would be very nice, because then you can build up your email, your report. Make sure that if you're sending it out on the first, that you select in the report the last month data. And then you can set up a time, doesn't matter anything here. Then you have it in your inbox at the first of every month. For demonstration purposes now, we don't want to wait until the next first because this will take some time. I would simply switch this here to every single minute. And this, of course, you wouldn't do this in a real business case, but just for demonstration purposes. So wait, now we've got this report here, opportunity sum per employee, and it's active. So, okay, what happens next? You'll have to go into the admin area and check out your scheduler. And inside your scheduler, you've got a hint on how to set up your cron tab. In case you have not done this, it's way too late. You have to do this at the beginning of your SuiteCRM installation, but go ahead and do this now. And then this cron job will run all the individual jobs here, which are scheduled for some time of the month, of the day, of the minute or whatever, to do something in your CRM system. So this one here is just like the cron job on the Linux server. Usually if you have like a root server, a VPS, and then it would usually run every minute, and you would simply add this one here as you see it here into your configuration, cron configuration. But there are managed servers as well, which run maybe every 5 minutes, every quarter hour or so. Therefore, you have to be a bit careful, or this could be a reason why it comes to unexpected behavior. So in here, we've got run report generation scheduler tasks as often as possible. So this is what we want. And here you can already see a job log, and we've got the executions of the job that we have. So far nothing happened because, and we're going into this now, since you're wondering probably why you did not receive any email. If you click on edit and see the full form basically of this scheduled reports where I'm now, you see I'm in another module, not in reports anymore, I'm in scheduled reports. And here I've got an email recipient as well who I can add. And then I've got user and users. So this is a bit in English actually. So the one is the assigned user, and then the other one is any of your CRM users who you can address, or you just use any email that you want. Usually it should be like from an internal user. I'm using a test email here. Add this, save it, and now we are good to go. So the last run was on 45. Let's check it very well. So now it takes only a couple of more seconds. It will be always executed on the top of the minute. So if I refresh this page here, or if I go to this one here, it should now say 46. It has ran, and I want to go over to my email, just switch or avoid reloading. But see, here I've got 10 seconds ago a new email, and indeed it has sent me like the finished generated report of my with all the data. The nice thing here is this is now a snapshot in time, so it's like a kind of a historization. You can do this in your CRM system as well, but yeah, in case you don't want to, or for whichever reasons you need to send this over to somebody else, you have this data in a tabular manner, and now you can copy it into Excel and build your own reports over time out of this data here. As I said, you can do historical reports in the CRM system as well, but you need to create a history module for this one and create records there, which won't move anymore, because here Bronson, Jensen and so on, they will be working hard on the next opportunities, and this will probably be changing over time. Therefore, you have to be, if you want to have snapshots, if you want to have historical reports, and then keep these here as well in mind, which is very, very helpful. Okay, very well. We've seen how to build a scheduled report, how to send it out, how to schedule it, and how it looks like when it finally arrives in your inbox. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.